In order to give the 21st century look to Connaught Place, the project for redevelopment of Connaught Place was undertaken by NDMC and is underway. The new traffic plan would see a concrete paved 6-lane outer circle. Traffic would move in towards inner circle from 3 radios, that is Janpat, Panchkoya and Nerulas, and exit from State Entry, Baba Kharak Singh Marg and Parakhamba radios. Block markers sponsored by alphabet matching corporates would denote blocks. The inner circle will be 2-lane wide and will have an extra 3rd lane for passenger drop-off. Exit from the inner circle will be at Parakhamba, Kharak Singh Marg and State Entry radios. Traffic on middle circle will be clockwise and anti-clockwise between alternate blocks. The entire existing inner circle would have underground parking with entry to parking at Janpat and Nerula radios and exit from Baba Kharak Singh and State Entry radios. Existing metro escalators will be used for passengers to exit parking area. Vehicles might also take the middle circle, which would be paved with corbel stones. The only surface parking would be on outer circle, where the parking area would be depressed from ground level by ½ meter. The facade of Connaught Place will be restored to its original glory, the repair efforts for which are already underway. Building signages on the facade will be regulated and uniform standards will be implemented for an organized international look. Subways will be revamped. Shops and public utilities will be built in the subways. escalators will be installed. Existing subways at Kharak Singh Marg, Janpat, Kasturba Gandhi Marg, Super Bazaar and Sansad Marg will be renovated. And 8 new ones will be built at B Block, G Block, opposite Railway Colony, H Block, Chelmsford Road, Yusuf Zai Market, Gopal Das Bhavan, L Block and Statesman House. A 1.2-kilometer long dedicated service tunnel will be built beneath the Middle Circle Road for laying of all engineering services. Here, the supply lanes would be laid on racks on both sides of the tunnel, and track would be laid in the middle walkway of the tunnel on which trolley will be installed for movement of material and personnel for various upgradation and maintenance works. The right-hand side top 2 rack would hold 4 AC pipes, followed by fire supply, water supply and irrigation pipes. On the left-hand side, the lower 3 racks have been marked for high-tension cables, followed by a vacant slot for future expansion for high-tension cables. The left-hand side middle 2 racks would hold low-tension cables, and the 2 above would be left vacant, one for future expansion for low-tension cables and the other void. Second top racks on the left-hand side would be housing all the telecommunication cables, and the one above would be left for future expansion. Gas pipes would be laid in the small covered duct in the floor of right-hand side, and clean gas-based fire lines would be installed on the ceiling. There will be transformers installed in niches created on the right-hand side. All the cables would run parallel over the crossover of metro line coming back to the pre-assigned rack system at the completion of the crossover. This tunnel would be in 3 segments, that is between Palika Parking Radial and Pachkuya Radial, Pachkuya and Barakhamba, Barakhamba and Janpat. Clear size is 7 meter high by 7 meter wide. Stormwater drainage and sewage system will be perfected. Adequate lighting will be done to complement the central status of Connaught Place. Center Park has already been built by DMRC.